Indian polity previous years questions 2023. In essence, what does due process of law mean? The correct answer is option C, fair application of law. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. In India, prisons are managed by the state governments with their own rules and regulations for the day-to-day administration of prisons. Statement 2. In India, prisons are governed by the Prisons Act 1894, which expressly kept the subject of prisons in the control of provincial governments. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? So, the correct answer is both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation for the statement 1. Next question, which one of the following statements best reflects the chief purpose of the constitution of a country? Which one of the following statements best reflects the chief purpose of the constitution of a country? The correct answer is option C. It defines and limits the powers of government. Next, in India, which one of the following constitutional amendments was widely believed to be enacted to overcome the judicial interpretations of fundamental rights? The answer is First Amendment. Consider the following organizations or bodies in India: the National Commission for Backward Classes, the National Human Rights Commission, the National Law Commission, the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. How many of the above constitutional bodies? First one, A, only one. Only one is the constitutional body in the above 4 commissions. Consider the following statements. If the election of the President of India is declared void by Supreme Court of India, all acts done by him or her in the performance of duties of his or her office of President before the date of decision become invalid. Second, elections for the post of the President of India can be postponed on the ground that some legislative assemblies have been dissolved and elections are yet to take place. Third, when a bill is presented to the President of India, the Constitution prescribes time limits with which he or she has to declare his or her assent. How many of the above statements are correct? So, the correct answer is option D. None of the above are correct. None of the above are correct. Next question. With reference to financial bill and money bill in Indian Parliament, consider the following statements. When the Lok Sabha transmits the finance bill to the Rajya Sabha, it can amend or reject the bill. Second, when Lok Sabha transmits money bill to the Rajya Sabha, it cannot amend or reject the bill. It can only make recommendations. Third, in the case of disagreement between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, there is no joint sitting for money bill, but a joint sitting becomes necessary for the finance bill. How many of the above statements are correct? So, in the given 3 statements, only one statement is correct. So, the correct answer is option A. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The Supreme Court of India has held in some judgments that the reservation policies made under Article 16(4) of the Constitution of India would be limited by Article 335 for maintenance of efficiency of administration. Statement 2. Article 335 of the Constitution of India defines the term efficiency of administration. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? The correct answer is option C. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect.